alarm is screaming in my ear. Monday morning, my biggest fear. I found my phone inside the fridge. Don't ask me why, it's just how I live. My shirt is backward, shoes untied. I waved goodbye to the wrong guy. The mirror laughed, I laughed too. Without my coffee, what can I do? One small sip, my eyes can see. Another sip, I found the key. Third espresso, now I'm alive. Guess I'll actually survive. Running on caffeine, that's my daily gasoline. Without coffee, I'm buffering. With espresso, I'm a machine. Running on caffeine, living every crazy dream. If life crashes every day, coffee finds another way. White sip, go. White sip, go. Coffee in, stress out. Everybody jump now.
Sunda Beats.
I joined a meeting 10 minutes late. Smiled and said traffic was my fate. I work from home, that's kinda weird. My coffee cup just disappeared. Check the kitchen, check the sink. Found it next to yesterday's drink. I made fresh coffee number 4. Now my keyboard's winning the war. Some people run a marathon. I run to coffee every dawn. No gold medal, no trophy shelf, just one more latte, and I believe in myself. Running on caffeine, keeping all my hopes alive. Laughing through another Monday. One more cup and I can thrive. Running on caffeine, it's my daily survival kit. If tomorrow comes too early, coffee says, you got this, kid.